In today's expanding global economy, the threat from counterfeit is growing for all brand owners, for governments and for us as individuals. Millions and millions of pounds are being spent by large companies protecting their brands. At Ingenia, we take a different approach. We use the natural randomness that occurs in every product to help protect that product without the need to add specialist and ever more expensive security technologies. This technology is laser surface authentication, or LSA.
LSA is when you shine a laser at a surface and you measure the way the light is reflected by the surface. And the particulars of how the light is scattered depend on the particulars of the surface. So if I shine the laser at one piece of the paper, the light will scatter in a particular way, and if I scan it at a different piece of paper, the light will scatter in a different way. What we do is measure those variations in scattered light and use that to essentially form a signature that relates exactly to the microstructure of the surface.
My name is Andrew Gilbert. We're here at Ingenia Technology in London. Ingenia Technology is a highly specialised company employing engineers in software, mechanics and electronics. We also have security and business professionals. Professor Russell Coburn is a specialist in nanotechnology, working at Imperial College in London, and as part of his research work, he found the technology for LSA. The last years we've been developing the technology from what was a very clever idea to a final security solution, so that today we're able to help brand owners and governments protect their products or their citizens by ensuring that items are genuine.
In a typical deployment, you would have a production line somewhere where you're making your product, and we would install on that our production line or high-speed sensor. And that sensor is going to record the signature of every item you produce as it's produced. That signature is then loaded into a database so that later one of your field inspectors, for example, can go into the store and pull down one of your products and check it against the field scanner. The field scanner will interrogate the original database and compare the signature it's just taken against the signature we took when your product was first produced. If those two match, that means the microstructure is the same, which means it's the same product.
My name is Steffen Schnitzer. I am member of the board of Kartondruck. We are here in southern part of Germany, exactly in Obersulm, close to Heilbronn. Kartondruck is specialized in doing folding cartons for the high-end industry. There's a big advantage of the LSA scanning system. It's simple, it's 100% reliable, and it works with different materials. That on the one side we can do it in-house in our production area to scan the products out of the market, or the field scanner can be used within the stores or within the marketplace, so the customer itself don't have to go long ways to our production site to have the scan made or send the product. And we are happy to have the market advantage by being the first folding carton company globally to use LSA technology.
We just take the product and scan the surface. I think that's the greatest advantage.
In 5 years we should be well established here with a strong development team.
For me, I think Ingenia will be a world beater in its field.
At Ingenia, our mission is to offer the next generation of security technology.